aka Tom's Reefer, aka Tom. This is my 1967 Ford Mustang, lovingly dubbed Noise Complaint. If you watched the last video, which I damn hope you freaking did, I did a bunch of awesome stuff to this car, and right when I was about to drive it, I bent the main shaft of my transmission, I believe because my drive shaft was too long and it put some weird force on it when I was putting it together. Nevertheless, trans has to come out, drive shaft has to get modified, and I gotta drive this thing because I didn't get to beat the snot out of it with my new gears. So it's time to bring Noise Complaint back, better than ever. Ain't that right, girl? Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 2. I love working on the floor. It's my favorite. You and you, you and you, and then, you know how it goes. This is about the 8,000th time I've done this. That's out. Off. Got that extendo clip. Now we're getting it. There she blows. Last bolt. Thankfully, I'm a genius. I built my exhaust so that the trans can come out right past, so I don't even have to unbolt it. Clutch linkage is off, drive shaft's out, speedo cable's off, cross member's off. Drop it straight down. There, it's out. Hold on. I got it. Good. Come on, fatty. So this right here, this transmission that is very heavy on my knee right now, I'm gonna put it back down, it hurts. This is a Tremec TR3550, aka TKO 500. It's a fantastic transmission, I really like it, and I'm really sad that I broke it because it was expensive. Oh God! This Tremec has a bent tail shaft, or main shaft. So, I sourced me another Tremec 3550, so I got about an hour trip to go pick it up. Gonna take the old strokey poo. We're gonna have us a ride, you know what I'm saying?
You watch out now. These 7.3s, man, they ain't a force to be reckoned with.
Transmission. Gotta put it back in the car now. Man, this thing ain't light. Oh, this thing ain't light at all. Hot dig it. Goodbye to the broken Tremec. Hello to the non-broken Tremec. Now we're getting this nice Steeda Triax short throw shifter on this new transmission. Oh boy. We're gonna torque this to spec. That's about perfect, actually. Good tranny, baby. Let's get her in. I'm ready whenever you are, buddy. Go. Oh, yeah! That was like butter. That's awesome.
I'm getting royalties from this video, right?
Yeah.
You're looking really pretty tonight, I'm not gonna lie.
A little
I smudge on the camera.
Can you even see under here? It's dark.
It's okay, I'll be fine.
I'm tightening the speedo cable with my fingers. Good practice for your mom.
That's real tight now.
Did you get the proper torque spec for it?
Yup, tight. All right. 1 and 2. Trans is bolted to the trans mount.
Sounds like the devil just left your body.
Trans mount to cross member. Tight. Cross members in and tight now.
This is my custom built hydraulic clutch slave cylinder bracket.
And clutch linkage is in. Done down here.
Thank God. I'm now gonna magically install this shifter very fast. The interior is gonna be back together in a second. Ready, set, go.
Whoa! Whoa!
Interior's back and better than ever. Custom shifter with the new transmission, feels great. Just gotta fill it with fluid and get a drive shaft. Oh yeah! Oh, yeah. Never mind. That was inappropriate. I'm really sorry. Now it's time to mess with this drive shaft, which I'm pretty sure is the culprit of the bent tail shaft. This custom-built drive shaft that I've had for years, that I've already gotten fixed, rebalanced, modified, probably about 5 times now. So I just took the proper measurement, and we're gonna run it to the drive shaft shop. Let's go! And done. I will be back in a couple days to pick that up. I'm back with a fresh drive shaft. Pretty much the last step to getting this car running. Let's toss it in now.
Oh, whoa, thanks, Tom. That was crazy. Oh, yeah. That is a properly fitting drive shaft for once. Tighten up the drive shaft loop.
Last but not least, let's pump some fluid into this trimming.
Maybe I should call her.
Oh, man. Don't pay attention to me stacking crappy wheel spacers. I'm definitely not stacking wheel spacers on my car to make these fit. Everyone, look at the welds. Look at the welds. Wow. We're gonna torque these to spec. It's like exactly 6 Oogadogas. If you slow the video down, you can actually hear it. Let's drop her down! It's back on the ground now. The world is in trouble, because I am now going to be back on the road in this car. Stay off the sidewalks. Let's go for a ride. It's time to quite possibly break some more shit. Driven this car in a very long time. Oh yeah, manual steering, still lovely. All right, now we're gonna really see how this custom shifter shifts. Okay, all right, it's working. That's like a 2-inch long throw. I can already tell that these gears are ridiculously aggressive. Speedometer works? Get that. I got a speedometer, everybody. It is not accurate at all, but it works. I say we immediately see just how quick this shifter is with slicks. Here goes nothing, I guess. This thing sounds awesome. Never gets old. Well, now that we've driven it for about 2 minutes, I say we go straight for the power shifting on slicks. All right, well, let's see if we break it. I say we try a little launching through on the slick.
overall, I'm really happy with how this shifter turned out. The thing shifts like instantaneously. Just the way I wanted it. I could break it immediately and just do a two-step launch on slicks. Yeah. Two-step launch on slicks? Yeah. Should you? No, I shouldn't at all, but I want to.
Look at him. Look at that f***ing dude.
All these damn pedestrians keeping me from illegally street racing. Got a lot of nerve. They got a lot of nerve.
This thing f***ing books! Oh. Don't hurt that. Don't hurt that. Don't hurt that. With two people in the car and a 200-pound subwoofer box in the back, that's awesome. This new shifter setup makes power shifting, get the dust out of there, huh? This setup makes power shifting a dream, dude. We'll two-step it again. Try to break it. I'm gonna try to break it after putting a couple thousand into it. Any policia? No policia? Okay. Something. I don't have any gears now. Try to break it. New game. How far can we coast now?
What's your bet? How far do you think?
I think we can make it pretty far. I'm not hitting the brakes. We got what, like 6 good bang shifts at her?
Yeah, it was a great 20 minutes.
That was the most fun 20 minutes I've had in a very long time.
I can't wait to see this car in another 7 months.
Dude, I'm kind of pissed. Now, let's play the game of what the f did I break this time? I can't, my car's broken. I can't, sorry. Well, for those 20 to 25 minutes, this car hauled the most ass it's ever hauled in my ownership. Let's see what's wrong with it. Let's see what broke me. Run some diagnostics. Sure. So I'm gonna start it up. See? Uh-oh. You see how my foot's not on the clutch? And then you see how I'm shifting through all the gears right now? Well, isn't that fun? I don't know what the f***'s wrong with it. I do think there's a solid chance I might have like done that to the input shaft.
You break down or just race it?
Both. Raced it, then broke down.
Have fun.
I'll try. Thank you. That's my uncle. It's not. Mr. Facebook man, if you're watching this, you should be ashamed of yourself for selling me such a bad transmission. Because I'm pretty sure that it's broken again. Had nothing to do with me. Had nothing to do with the slicks. Had nothing to do with the two-step. Had nothing to do with the power shifting, okay? Can y'all like and subscribe and get me a little bit of ad revenue maybe? Because I might have to buy me a new transmission and my kids are starving. My OnlyFans ain't been doing good at all.
Taking noise complaint to the dump.
Come on, cameraman. I don't pay you $6 an hour for nothing. I'm so happy. Well, this sucks. Hello.
This car's coming both sides.
Life is in severe danger right now. Noise complaint doesn't run. I might as well just play chicken with him. Hit me. Home sweet home. Operation rescue mission. We got a chain, we got a strap, and by golly, we got a tow rig. You making fun of my truck?
This is an Escalade, man. Escalade.
Like I never turned it off. Nothing like the drop-top tow truck on a beautiful winter's day. Another day in paradise. Hello, asshole. Hate that thing.
My tow truck driver looks a little strung out today. Hey, are you sure you're a professional?
Oops, sorry. Hey, I'm Tom with Tom's Towing Service. Welcome home, once again.
Well, I have successfully fixed noise complaint, driven noise complaint, and then broken noise complaint, all in one shot. This car was hauling taters. It was hauling the groceries to the grocery store. I can shift it through all the gears without touching the clutch, the drive shaft doesn't move, and the trans doesn't make any funny internal noises. So my guess is I just ripped that input shaft. Thank you for watching Tom's Refurb. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe as usual because this is the coolest goddamn car content on YouTube. See ya.
Yeah, I like these gears a lot. I like these gears a lot.